Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners 1000 English Synonyms Meaning in Hindi and Urdu lesson number 4. Let's start. Impassive, emotionless, जज्बात ना होना, भावनाएं ना होना. Impassive, emotionless. Imperative, vital, ahem. Imperative, vital. Impolite, rude, बेअदब, अशिष्ट. Impolite, rude. Incidentally, by the way, इत्तिफाकी तौर पर, संयोग से. Incidentally, by the way. Inconsiderate, thoughtless, आकबत ना अंदेश, अवेफिकी. Inconsiderate, thoughtless. Indisputable, undeniable. निर्विवाद, जिससे इनकार ना किया जा सके. Indisputable, undeniable. Infamous, notorious. बदनाम, infamous, notorious. To infect, to contaminate. गंदा करना. To infect, to contaminate. Inflexible, rigid. जो लचीला, लचकदार ना हो. Inflexible, rigid. Inflow, influx, तांता, सरायत. Inflow, influx. Informal, casual. गैर रस्मी, अनायुपचारिक. Informal, casual. Infrequent, rare. कम नायाब, निराला. Infrequent, rare. Inheritor, heir, वारिस. Inheritor, heir. Innocent, harmless, मासूम. Innocent, harmless. Insolvent, bankrupt, दिवालिया. Insolvent, bankrupt. To inspect, to examine. जांच करना, मायना करना. To inspect, to examine. Instinct, intuition. Ilham, सहज Instinct, intuition. Instructions, directions. अनुदेश, हदायत. Instructions, directions. Insufficient, inadequate, ना काफी. Insufficient, inadequate. Insupportable, intolerable, नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त, असहनीय. Insupportable, intolerable. Insurgent, rebel, बागी. Insurgent, rebel. intellectual, mental, मानसिक, दिमागी, intellectual, mental. To intend, to mean, इरादा, मतलब, to intend, to mean. To intensify, to heighten, तेज करना, to intensify, to heighten. Inventory, stock, सामान, उपकरण, inventory, stock. Invoice, bill, bill, invoice, bill. Isolated, lonely, अकेला, isolated, lonely. Joy, delight, खुशी, हर्ष, joy, delight. Knowingly, deliberately, जानबूझकर, knowingly, deliberately. Lacking, missing, miss होना, lacking, missing. Last, final, आखिरी, अंतिम, last, final. Leading, main, मरकजी, मुखिया, leading, main. Legitimate, legal, कानूनी, legitimate, legal. Lethal, deadly, जानलेवा, lethal, deadly. Livable, habitable, रहने के काबिल, रहने लायक, livable, habitable. Lousy, awful, घटिया, lousy, awful. Lucid, clear, स्पष्ट, शफाफ, lucid, clear. Madness, insanity, पागलपन, madness, insanity. To magnify, to exaggerate, बढ़ाना, to magnify, to exaggerate. To maintain, to preserve, महफूज करना, to maintain, to preserve. Man-made, artificial, इंसान का बनाया हुआ, कृत्रिम, man-made, artificial. Material, fabric, मवाद, material, fabric. Matters, things, मामलात, matters, things. Maybe, perhaps, शायद, maybe, perhaps. In the meantime, meanwhile, इस दौरान, बीच में. In the meantime, meanwhile. Meeting, assembly, मुलाकात, meeting, assembly. Merciless, cruel, बेरहम, merciless, cruel. Middleman, intermediary, बिचूलिया, middleman, intermediary. Midway, halfway, बीच का रास्ता, midway, halfway. To migrate, emigrate, हिजरत करना, प्रवास करना. To migrate, emigrate. Mild, gentle, नरम, mild, gentle. To mimic, to imitate, नकल उतारना. To mimic, to imitate. Mind, intellect, दिमाग, मन. Mind, intellect. Mindless, senseless, ना समझ. Mindless, senseless. To minimize, to play down, कम करना. To minimize, to play down. To misconceive, to misunderstand, गलत समझना. To misconceive, to misunderstand. Misery, distress, मुसीबत, कष्ट. Misery, distress. Misread, misinterpret, गलत समझना. Misread, misinterpret. Missing, lost, लापता. Missing, lost. Mistrust, distrust, बेएतमादी, शक. Mistrust, distrust. Moderately, reasonably, एतदाल पसंदी, मध्यम रूप से. Moderately, reasonably. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please like, share and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe. Infect.